Meanwhile, in Newmarket, St. Elizabeth, residents who are badly impacted by Hurricane Melissa have another problem on their hands. Water from an unknown source is slowly rising in the community, causing widespread fears among the people already traumatized by the hurricane. Kalisha Williams has the details.
Buildings ripped to pieces, schools almost unrecognizable. Scenes across Newmarket, St. Elizabeth in the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. Like the rest of the parish, many people here are homeless, while others lost sections of their properties.
It blew up. Some of these things them off of my house, the roof caved in and the house wet up, everything wet up. And the glass, one of the glass burst. That I just put in just a week ago.
Without a house, clothes, everything. Mash up everything, bed, everything.
Even one of our own Radio Jamaica correspondent, Melville Harris, is struggling to pick up the pieces after sections of his house were ripped apart by Hurricane Melissa.
I lost approximately 80% of the roof. The other 20% was deck. So I was able to salvage a number of things at that section. In addition to that, I lost all my fruit trees. Everything in my backyard went.
But it is the flood waters in the community that many people are most concerned about. While the community is no stranger to floods, we were told since Wednesday, water from an unknown source has surfaced in the area. And instead of receding, the water has been rising, threatening many homes in the valley.
I have to move out from down where I live because the water over that side is running across the road where I walk down.
When if you come in house wet up again, because we don't have no house.
Ironically, water is also the most pressing need of the residents. Some say they're running out of options.
Whatever water was stored is now running very, very low. So there's a need for water. On the whole, persons are getting some assistance because on a daily basis, a truck has been passing through the area providing some level of meals for individuals, though small, but it is something that will help them as they go along. But the need is great, especially in these areas.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.